Hello artists, this is Mrs. B. Welcome back to Umaarteng Penmanship. Okay, today I will be unboxing a package. These art materials are from Michaels, and the reason that it is LBC because I asked my friend to buy this for me last February. Okay, so I rip off some of the bubble wrap and I'm so excited to open this box. So for the total amount okay, so the total amount of my purchase was 5,000 and more. Okay, but I can't remember how much was it. So if you're going to buy materials in the United States, you can ask a friend or a relative, and it is better if you're going to buy bulk. I'm going to buy some sheets. Okay, thank you so much, Wild Orchids, for free chocolates. Okay, it's so many, so many. Thank you so much. I love dark chocolates, and I'm so surprised it's too many and different flavors. 55% dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate. Okay, thank you so much. And okay, tea. Yeah, I need some tea. Caffeine free. That can help me also to sleep. So I have like 2 flavors of 4 boxes. And these are the art materials. Also, this is their receipt. Okay, yeah, there, Michaels. There you go. Okay, so let's start with these. Okay, so these are the brushes. I use actually small brushes because I do calligraphy and I do small paintings. So I asked him to buy me some brushes, and he was there. We had a video call when he was in the store and was looking around for brushes. Okay, so these are the brushes that I have. Okay, so this is a round brush, size 6. This is Princeton Select artist brush. Okay, this is a synthetic brush. I will try this and test it. Oh no, what happened? Okay, anyway, you can clear it up with my brush cleaner. Okay, this is Grumbacher liner, size number 2, and the brush is quite long. There's also synthetic brush. Okay, for the price of this, I didn't have the price of this, but I can check later on the receipt. And look at this. This is sold for $7.99, but he bought this clearance sale for $1. Alright. We cannot buy something like this here in the Philippines for $1. Okay, this one is size 4. The previous one was size 2. And this is size 4 liner brush for $7.99. It was, is it $1 also? Not sure. There we go. Okay, then I have this Select Princeton artist brush, a liner. This is 10 by 0. This is also synthetic brush, and it's quite long. It's good. This is for big calligraphy, but it's also good for details. Okay, so I have size number 6 of Grumbacher for $7.99, also for $1. By the way, yeah, $1. Okay, where's the previous one? It doesn't have any price here, but I'll check it later. Okay, because I need some brushes. Okay, this is size 8 round brush of Grumbacher, also from $7.99 to $1. Alright, $1 is like 50 pesos here in the Philippines. Okay, I have size 2, another liner from $7.99 to $1. Okay, size 4 brush. Alright, so before we go to these boxes, let's move to this package first. Alright, I know this is the paints. I also asked him to get me some paints in tubes. Okay, so here, alright, so I have here, alright, Winsor Newton Professional Watercolors in tubes. I'm so happy that I have this, and I'm still going to use my Mungyo, but I'm going to use this also. Okay, so what are the colors that I have here? I have Winsor Blue. This is a red shade. This is 5 ml tubes. Neutral tint. I have also Winsor Red. This is cadmium yellow or cadmium lemon. This is a yellow. And this is permanent mauve and alizarin crimson. Okay, so I have like how many? 6 colors of Winsor Newton Professional tubes that I will be transferred to my new mixing palette because it won't fit to my Mungyo palette. Okay, last that I have here, these boxes are actually ink that I can use for artwork and calligraphy. So I have here Jane Davenport Inkredible. Okay, so there are different colors. I think, let me just check how many colors do we have. Okay, and some are just duplicate of the colors. So these are the colors that we have for 5. Okay, hold on. For 5. Okay, I don't know how many colors I have. Okay, so because some of it are duplicate. Okay, so these are Jane Davenport's Inkredible Inks. This is in 30 ml or 1 ounce. So this is like a red shade. So this is Frida Cherry. Okay, so this is a dark shade ink. This is like, oh, okay, like purplish red. This is like, okay, tinsel Greenland. Okay, there we go. We have on my hand. Okay, what is this color? Come on, show me. Yeah, Frida Cherry. Also, we have Very Delicious. We have also, what is this? Okay, lemonade. Lemonade, whatever. Okay, so it's like light green color. I have also here hot cocoa. I have also fresh air. Okay, hold on. I'm not really sure how many colors I have, but mostly I think 1, 2. Okay, I'm not sure. I cannot count anymore because some of it are duplicate. Okay, there. This is Mermaid Tail. Right, and these inks, as it says, Inkredible. It is okay. Use Inkredible ink as it is, or dilute with water for varied effects. Use straight from the bottle or filled Jane Davenport's ink brush, topper, mister, or fine line bristles. Use in the Inkredible fountain pen. Use to refill the mermaid markers. Do not store in direct sunlight. Okay, so these inks are really good. Okay, let me know if you want me to see how I will use this. Okay, well, I will make another review, a separate review for this Inkredible inks that are incredibly and looks really, really nice packaging. So there, that's my unboxing. So if you have a friend in the United States or in Canada or where you can buy brushes and paints that are on sale, it is really good to buy and get some brushes, because here in the Philippines you cannot buy something like this as cheap as this. Okay, the cheapest I can get here are not really good quality brushes. So, but good quality brushes here are very, very expensive. So there you will see me using these brushes soon, mostly on painting, and I use different brushes for calligraphy. Also, you will see me more of using this inks as well, and also the Winsor Newton. Okay, thank you so much. This is just my unboxing video. I hope that I can see you again on my next video. See you next time.